Hey baby loves, welcome to my channel. I'm about to show y'all how to do some quick and easy nails. If you don't want to go to the nail salon, drop a bag, or if this is just a last minute event, then here you go. These are here for a good time and a long time though. So these last about like 1 to 2 weeks depending on the care. Okay, so we're gonna first start off by clipping our nails down because we want them things short, and then afterwards you just take your file and then finish filing them down so you don't have any jagged edges. So next, you're gonna just take your cuticle pusher and just push your cuticles back. It's okay if you don't have one though, so you can just take one of those little nails that come in the little package and just push your cuticles back with that. Okay, so after you've done all that, you can take either the softer side of your nail file or the nail buff. It really doesn't matter. They're both the same thing. And you just clean up your dead skin that was around your nails after pushing your cuticles. What I like to do is I like to take the rougher side of my nail file again and just kind of hit my, not hit my nails, but just kind of rub it across my nails. Not too hard though, so it won't damage it. What this usually does is it gives something to stick to, like it gives the glue something to stick to, so it won't be like a smooth surface, if that makes any sense. All right here I'm just sizing my nails up. They come numbered in the bags from 1 through 10. Usually I'll just separate the numbers that I can't wear and just throw those away, but I didn't do that this time, y'all. I was being a little lazy. So after sizing your nails up, you should be left with you should be left with 5 pairs. I think I'm saying that right. 5 pairs of nails, and you just line those up separately so they won't all get mixed up. I usually take at least 1 or 2 nails out of a random bag that I really don't use, so that way I can use those to scoop the glitter out of my nails. I'm about to start applying the nails. I like to put the drop of glue where the cuticle part is so I can spread it out myself. That way I have more control over it. And then afterwards I just do that throughout the whole hand. If you do want something that lasts longer, then I will be filming another method to where you can do this with gel, and that one lasts 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, so this how y'all hands should be looking, baby. We almost done. So you see like the little edges, there's little nubs on there, and there's also little numbers. I just like to file those off, and y'all can just keep on cutting those down to your desired length. Everything should be filed now, so what I did is I just took my glitter and I took my top coat and I applied my top coat and dipped my finger, the tip of my finger, into the glitter, and then I scooped that extra nail into the glitter so I can sprinkle it on my nail bag so it won't have like that straight abrupt line. Okay, y'all, this is how it should be looking. Usually I'll just take a extra makeup brush or a makeup brush I don't even use. Any type of brush, it don't even matter. And you can just dust off that excess glitter that's on the sides or that's all over your hand. And I also use this brush to gather up that extra glitter because we don't waste around here. And we're just gonna put it back in the container. I'm just taking this Q-tip with nail polish remover on it so I can make sure I cleaned everything around my cuticles and on my hands. Okay, y'all, so after that, you just apply your top coat to it so you can secure the glitter. And then later on, you're going to see me filing down my tips again because it made the edges a little less sharp. But other than that, that's about it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next one, y'all. Bye.